What's up, y'all? This is Devin from DHR2 Productions. Welcome back to my channel. So, I haven't reacted to any Type of Madness's videos in a long time. So, the last time I reacted to his videos was about 2 years ago. So, I think this is the first video of 2020 we're going to react to of his videos on man coughs on cops and gets arrested. Man, y'all better start taking this COVID-19 stuff seriously, because if y'all get sick, then what? Original video and my Instagram will be down below. Also, if you're new and if you're just tuning in, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and don't forget to click that bell, be a part of the DC viewers. So let's get it.
Old world news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Play Stupid Games, Win Stupid Prizes. Tell them who our next contestant is, Bob. Well, if this reads the way the title sounds,
I don't know why I'm eating this apple looking at
this
this
is
video.
one of those
Supposed to fight in them getting
situations
COVID-19
where
eating this nasty apples.
police brutality would probably be given a pass. Okay, let's see what happens here. Driver claims he has, you know what, coughs at Martin County Sheriff's deputy. A man being investigated for drunk driving began coughing toward a Martin County Sheriff's Office deputy and claimed he has been carrying the you-know-what.
Yeah, I'm not even going to say the word either.
The traffic stop near Michael Drive for 23-year-old Christian Perez went from charges for DUI and reckless driving to assault on law enforcement and threatening a public servant. See how that escalated? Very quickly. Perez told the deputy during the traffic stop that he had suffered from you-know-what. The sheriff's office said the deputy then provided Perez with a protective mask to cover his mouth. Then Perez removed the mask and began intentionally coughing towards the deputy.
Dumb.
The deputy was able to get the mask back on Perez and took him to... I wonder how he got it back on. There you go.
He was probably faking
Put
it.
you in the fucking car here. Perez remained at jail with a $26,000 bail.
He ain't gonna be getting out soon.
Played the game. Boss! No information was available to confirm if Perez is one of the 26 people in Martin County who had contracted the you-know-what. We have zero tolerance for this despicable behavior, and anyone who threatens the health and lives of my deputies will face the maximum charge, Sheriff William Snyder said. Perez later said he made up the claim and that he was ill. Perez will be given a test to confirm if he is a carrier. Once the horse is out of the sorry, the way it was written, it's kind of far away. Once the horse is out of the barn, we have to treat it seriously, Snyder said. That's true. You can't just be running around saying nothing like that. Look at the dude's face. He looks surprised that he's in jail. He looks surprised that he's in jail. Guess that's what being drunk do to you, I guess. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I mean, what are y'all... Any of my magnacites know this dude? Why are people still playing this game? Almost every day, y'all got something for me. Keep sending me all the crazy wild world news so we can talk about this.
Yeah.
Man, look, now if he come out positive, them charges probably gonna fall hard on him too. Man, look.
He took the L big time, man. This whole thing kind of reminds me of that broad from Dr. Phil. What's her name? Ava? And she basically went viral on TikTok, licking toilet seats in public and stuff. Now she's on Dr. Phil, just running her mouth, being disrespectful and such. You know how these young people are. She's been to Miami despite the government's warnings and not staying at home and just going around kissing on dudes and drinking alcohol and stuff. Girl, you don't know whether you're gonna catch the disease or not. This is where all that stuff be coming from. So for this dude's case right here, man, he did the unthinkable. It just made the whole situation worse. Faking the illness, like, bro, this is not a game, y'all. Don't be laughing at it. Don't be making fun of this. You know what? Because at this point, if y'all keep on playing these games and then you go and end up catching it, then what? You have nobody but to blame for yourself. So, yeah, man. Y'all enjoy my reaction to Tyrone Madness video on this dude just acting dumb and some of y'all. Let me know in the comments down below. This is Devin from DH2 Productions, and I'm out. Peace. And make sure y'all wash your hands and take care of yourselves. And stay safe, stay at home.